Good morning, everyone. Today it's sunny, so let's learn new word. S O N C. Сонце. Сонце is a sun. Maybe you noticed that I did not pronounce this sound, L. Yeah, it's a tricky word. It has a letter that we don't pronounce. We see here new letter, ts, ts. This sound, ts, we pronounce in very popular word. It's pizza, pizza. So we pronounce here exactly this sound, ts, ts, pizza. And pizza also looks like a sun a little bit. Let's write Latin transcription. So, O is stressed, so we pronounce O. We don't pronounce this sound L in this word. I can say that it's an exclusion in Russian language. Usually we pronounce L. So, N, C. I wrote C like two sounds, T and S. It's not exactly T and S, but it's similar. And when you pronounce fast English it's, you can hear C. It's. Let's write Russian transcription. S O N C E. The sound C is voiceless. We don't use voice when we pronounce it. C, C. And it's always hard sound. We don't have soft version. The vowel Y does not make C soft, so we pronounce C, not Ц. Сонце. Сонце.